Hey everyone, great to see you again. I'm sure you've heard of Dr. Barbara O'Neill. Right now, countless YouTubers are sharing her content, racking up millions of views, and earning big money in the process. Health and fitness channels have massive potential, both now and in the future. If you consistently upload high-quality, well-edited videos with valuable content, even a single video could be enough to get your channel monetized. Why do I believe health and fitness channels have incredible potential? It's because people today are busier than ever. They skip sunlight, lack social interactions, and prioritize work over their health. While it's not ideal, it's the reality. Ask yourself honestly, how much time do you actually dedicate to your health? With 90% of people struggling with chronic fatigue, there's a huge audience looking for solutions. However, always remember this: never promote a product you're not fully informed about or confident in. People trust your advice, and their health is at stake. Stepping into the health and fitness niche means taking on a big responsibility. Alright, I just searched for Dr. Barbara O'Neill on YouTube, and wow, so many videos showed up. What's even more amazing is how many channels are gaining millions of views by simply sharing her valuable knowledge and expertise. Let me quickly introduce Dr. Barbara O'Neill. She's a renowned Australian health educator and author, famous for her practical natural health tips and transformative lifestyle wellness advice. Dr. Barbara O'Neill also runs a YouTube channel where she shares insightful video sessions lasting 30 minutes to an hour. Many creators watch her videos, extract the most valuable information, and repurpose it on their own channels, earning millions of views in the process. If that sounds interesting, you can try it too, but in this video, I'll show you an even simpler method using AI. In today's video, we will be using Edimakor, Chat GPT. Edimakor will handle the fast and easy video editing, and we will use Chat GPT to rewrite the script, making everything smoother and more efficient. Alright, let's dive in. First, you need to go to YouTube and search for Dr. Barbara O'Neill's name. Next, you'll see countless health and fitness videos in the search results, all featuring Dr. Barbara O'Neill. You'll notice these videos have millions of views, shared by various channels leveraging her knowledge and health tips. In this video, I'll teach you exactly how to create videos like these. Alright, once you're done with that, it's time to pick a topic for your video. Let's take this topic as an example and create a video around it. First, you need to copy the link of the video you want to recreate. For example, let's recreate this video. To copy the link, click on the three dots, then click on Share, and finally click Copy. The link will be copied. After that, open a new tab and search for Node GPT. Click on the first result to visit the website. Once you're on the website, click on Products, then select YouTube Summary. After that, you'll land on this page. Paste the copied link into the search bar and click on Generate Summary. Now, Node GPT will create a summary of the video from the link you provided. Now you need to open a new tab and search for Chat GPT in it. Then I will give you a prompt in the video description. You need to copy it and paste it into Chat GPT, but don't send it yet. Next, head back to Node GPT and copy the summary. Once you have it, return to Chat GPT, paste it in front of the prompt, and hit send. After that, Chat GPT will generate a new and more engaging script for us, where the information will be the same, but the way it's explained will be a bit different and more engaging. We are doing this to make sure our script doesn't match the original video. If you want, you can do this process manually as well, but it will take you a bit more time. Now that you know how to generate scripts using Chat GPT, next, we'll move on to video editing, and I highly recommend trying Edimakor. It's packed with powerful AI tools and makes editing super simple and user-friendly compared to other editors out there. If we talk about the AI tools in Edimakor, it offers many AI tools for content creation. My favorite tool is the AI Avatars, which lets you create AI talking avatars.
Unfortunately, many of us are witnessing the deterioration of our eyesight far too early.
You probably know that these AI avatars are trending a lot right now. Besides this, Edimakor also provides a text-to-speech tool, which can convert your script into a realistic, human-like voice. You can even add emotions to the voice, and I'll show you how later in this video.
Edimakor is a popular video editing software with powerful AI features.
If you're interested in trying it out, I've added the download link in the video description. Check it out. Check out this clip. It's just a few seconds long, but it shows how easily you can edit videos. Alright, back to the topic. After generating the script, we'll use Edimakor's text-to-speech tool to convert the script into voice. Once you run Edimakor, simply click on Create a Video, and the video editor will open. Now, to convert the script into voice, the first step is to go to AI Avatars. Next, head back to Chat GPT, Copy a section of your script, and return to Edimakor to continue the process. Paste the script there to proceed with the next steps. Once the script is pasted, select a voice. Feel free to pick any voice that suits your content best. It's all about matching the tone with your script.
Edimakor is a popular video editing software with powerful AI features.
You can also choose a male voice if that fits your script better. It's a simple and straightforward option.
Edimakor is a popular video editing software with powerful AI features.
Edimakor is a popular video editing software. Edimakor is a popular.
This allows you to choose any voice from the list, but I'll go with Emma's voice. I feel it not only sounds good but also aligns well with the tone of the script. After selecting the voice, click on Confirm, and the voice will be selected. If you'd like to add a talking avatar, choose one from the list. There's a wide range of pre-generated AI avatars available, so you can pick the one that best fits your content. In addition, if you want to add your own custom AI avatar, you can do that too. Simply click on this button and upload a photo of your AI avatar. Let me demonstrate by uploading a custom AI avatar as an example. Let's upload this image. It's not an ideal image for a custom AI avatar, but I'm just showing you an example of how you can create custom AI avatars. Next, simply select your custom AI avatar. Alright, after selecting the avatar, click on the Generate button, and the AI avatar will start generating. This is how you can generate an AI avatar. However, for this video, we'll select one of the pre-generated AI avatars that matches our script. Since our script is about health and fitness, choosing a doctor's AI avatar will fit better in the video. After selecting the avatar, simply click on Generate, and the avatar will start generating. Our avatar is now ready, so let's listen to and watch it in action.
Unfortunately, many of us are witnessing the deterioration of our eyesight far too early. But here's the encouraging news. When provided with the right care and conditions, your eyes have the remarkable ability to heal.
Now, simply drag it and drop it onto the timeline. After that, if you want to separate the audio from the video, you can do that too. Simply right-click on the video and click on Detach Audio. Now you can remove the video and edit video on the audio file. Additionally, you can add lip sync to the video. To add lip sync, upload the video first. For example, I'll select this video. After that, type whatever you want the character to say, like "Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel." Then click Generate. After the video is generated, it's time to play it and check the results.
Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel.
And that's how you can easily add lip sync to any video. You can also generate talking photos using the same method. As for AI avatars, we've already covered that topic. Alright, now let's move on to the video editing part. If you want to remove the background of an AI-generated avatar, just like many people do while editing YouTube videos, you can do that with one click. Simply right-click on the video and select Remove Background. Now, you can resize the video and position it anywhere within the frame. You can also play another video in the background. Alright, the next step is to match the script with suitable stock videos and add them to the background. Before adding stock videos, we first need to shift this video layer from the main layer to the upper layer. After that, we'll play the video to check what's being mentioned in it so that we can add stock media according to the script.
Unfortunately, many of us are witnessing the deterioration of our eyesight far too early.
Alright, the script highlights that eyesight is deteriorating at a young age these days. To represent this, we'll look for a stock video featuring a young person wearing glasses or something that visually conveys weak eyesight. To find such stock videos, you can use Edimakor's built-in video library for free stock footage. If you don't find the perfect video there, I have an amazing alternative where you can access millions of free stock videos to use in your video editing projects. I'm talking about FlexClip. Yes, you can use FlexClip to access a wide range of free stock videos and use them in your projects. All you need to do is install the IDM downloader on your PC or laptop. I've already created 2 detailed videos about FlexClip that you can check out for more guidance. After accessing FlexClip, simply search for the type of stock video you need. For instance, if we want a clip illustrating weak eyesight, we'll type "weak eyesight" into the search bar. You'll then see a variety of stock videos to choose from. Simply download the one that fits your needs and use it in your project. For example, I find this video perfect for our project. To download it, click on the center of the video to preview it. Then, you'll see a download option appear from IDM. Click on the IDM download button, and the video will start downloading. Once the video is downloaded, the next step is to import it into Edimakor. After importing, you can trim the video to the desired length, using only the portion you need for your video. Now, let's play it and see how it looks.
Unfortunately, many of us are witnessing the deterioration of our eyesight far too early.
After that, you can also use filters in Edimakor to make your video look different, or for simple color grading. You'll find a variety of filters here that you can apply and try. Choose the one that looks best, and apply it to your video. You can also add effects to your video. For instance, the noise effect is quite popular, and many creators use it to give their video a unique touch, setting it apart from others. Besides the noise effect, Edimakor has a wide range of other effects that you can explore and use to enhance your video. Edimakor also provides several body effects, which you can apply to your video to give it a special look or to add creative details.
Unfortunately, many of us are witnessing the deterioration of our eyesight far too early.
You can also add text to your video in Edimakor, where you'll find a wide range of text effects and animations. These are different from what other video editors offer, helping you give your videos a fresh and unique style.
Fortunately, many of us are witnessing the deterioration of our eyesight far too early.
In Edimakor, you'll find a wide range of amazing and unique text effects that I haven't seen in other video editors. If you're into video editing, you probably haven't encountered these kinds of text effects elsewhere either. That's how you can use Edimakor to edit videos fast and easily. You can download the Edimakor Video Editor from the link in the description, and make sure to explore the amazing AI tools it offers. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.